Hello, hope you are doing good. I'm Jason, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use Getresponse. Getresponse is one of the best email marketing platforms around, as not only can you get started for completely free without a credit card, but also its user face is beginner friendly. You can use it to create email marketing, build a website, and you can also use it for numerous other marketing automations and other features. So the first thing you want to do, once on getresponse.com, I want you to tap right where you see create a free account, or you can tap on sign up in the top right hand corner. Once you have done that, you'll be prompted to enter your email address, and from there, after you have entered your email address, you'll simply go into your email to verify your account. Once you have verified your account, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, you can pay attention to the left-hand menu option so you can see some quick actions. For example, if you want to create a newsletter, you can do that. If you would like to create a form or pop-up, you can use Getresponse to do that. You can also use it to create landing page, or you can use it to create an autoresponder. For this example, the first thing that we'll be trying out is to create a newsletter. And to use Getresponse to create a newsletter, all you have to do is tap on Create Newsletter. Then you have two options. You can either create your email by yourself, or you can use their AI email generator. For this example, we'll be doing it by ourselves, so we are going to tap on that. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to a new page on which you can start editing your email template. So the first thing you're going to do is add a title to your message, and this name will appear on the list of your messages, but only you will be able to see it. So I'll be calling this test. Then you are going to scroll down and you can select the email that you would like to send it from. So you can see right here, and the replies will come back to this email. You can choose another email if you want by simply tapping on add another address. So you could add a second email address if you want. Once you have done that, you are going to scroll down, and from here you could add your subject line. So you can type in, as you can see, this is an example. How do you want to stand out in your recipient's inbox? So you can type in your subject line right there, or you can use an AI subject line generator. All you'll have to do is tap on AI subject line generator. Then from there, you'll see add keywords should appear in your subject line. So let's say one of my keywords would be, let's say, tutorial. So I'll type in tutorial right there. And then what kind of business do you have? And let's say YouTube. So I'll type in YouTube right there. Then you can tap right where you see select a topic from this list. So I'll tap on other. Then you can include emoji if you want. Then you'll tap on generate. Let me see what it comes up with. So once you have done that, you can see right here, master the art of combining subjects with our step-by-step tutorial. Or you can use any one of these. I'll simply tap on this one. Then you can add your contact list right here. After you have added your contact list, you're going to scroll down, and right where you see design on content, you're going to tap on design message. Once you have tapped on design message, you'll be redirected to this page on which you can choose any one of their newsletter templates to use. So all you have to do is simply scroll down and select a template that you like. So you can see that there are numerous templates, as you can see right here. So if you are running an e-commerce store, you can choose any one of these templates, as you can see right there. Or if you simply just want to create a newsletter for targeting another set of audience, you can do that. As you can see, there are numerous templates that you can choose from. And if you don't want to use any one of the templates, you could simply tap on blank template, and then you could start off from scratch. But for this example, I'll select one of the pre-designed templates. So I'll select a random pre-designed template. Let's see which one I should use. So let's say I want to use this one right here. I'll simply tap on it. Then I'll select use this template. After you have selected use this template, you will be directed to a new dashboard on which you can start editing. So all you'll need to do now is simply scroll down. If you would like to change any text, all you have to do is hover over the text section. Then you can remove any text you want. And also, if you would like to add anything to this, all you'll need to do now is simply scroll down, select the section that you like to add it. Or if you like to remove an image, you can do that by simply tapping on the image right there. And if everything is to your liking, all you'll need to do now, if you want to add something, as I was saying earlier, you can see from the top menu option, you can change the font size and so on if you want. And all you'll need to do is simply scroll down and you can see how it looks. And from the left hand menu option, you can see that you can add the paragraph, and from the right hand menu option, you can change the background color. To do is tap on layout from the top right hand corner, and then you could select the image box. Or if you would like to add a video, you can simply tap and place the video. So let's say, for example, I would like to place a video right here. All I would have to do is simply tap and drag and place it, as you can see right there. Then from there, you could add in the video URL right here. Once you have done that and it is to your liking, also if you would like to add any e-commerce, you could tap on e-commerce. So let's say, for example, you want to add a promo code or you want to add a product, you can do that. Then you can also change the message style. And once everything is to your liking, all you'll need to do now is tap on test and preview. So you could preview how it looks by simply tapping on preview right here. So you can see how it would look on a desktop. You can tap on mobile and you can see how it would look on a mobile device. And if it is to your liking, you'll tap on back to layout in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on next in the top right hand corner. Once you have tapped on next, you're going to scroll down. And remember, you need to add the contacts right here that you want to send the newsletter to. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down and then you can tap on send immediately, or you can schedule when you would like to send it. And you can schedule it and you can see that you'll be able to send up to 2,500 emails per month on the free plan. So that is one of the benefits of GetResponse. And by the way, if you would like to use this platform, I'll be leaving a link in the description that you can use to sign up. But let's go back to the main dashboard. So we are going to tap on tools from right here over on the left hand menu option. And if you would like to use the website builder, all you'll have to do is tap on website builder. Then you can see how to use the website builder right here. Again, you can use different templates. It's quite easy and straightforward to use GetResponse. You can see right here, all you'll need to do is tap on create website. And from there, you'll be able to choose from numerous templates that you can use. So let me tap on create website just for example. And you can see use ready-made template, or you can use an AI power builder. So you can select any one of these if you would like to create a website. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.